What's good, YouTube? This is Double O with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to get on camera to give you a presentation of this traffic exchange that I use to get unlimited hits to my affiliate pages and my affiliate offers. Something that I can be able to drive traffic to for free, and it's called 𝗖cie für𝘁, and it is the owner's name is 𝗖cie heç, and the way this traffic exchange work is you have to surf to get credits. Now these credits particularly helps you to drive traffic to your online business. And you can see all the tabs that's at the top here. When it's from the home page, you have surf advertising widgets, you have page creators, you can have splash pages, and they have promotion links that you can use to be able to promote 𝗖cie für𝘁. So you can be able to get more referrals, and then you can have your referrals earn credits for you. So it's a number of ways that you can get traffic to your sites. And I'm gonna show you what I mean by surfing. If you're not used to any traffic exchanges, this is what surfing is. Okay, so they have a timer here on the side, and once that timer go down, you have to match the picture. Once you match the picture with the icon that's right here, you click on that same thing, and then you get credits. And you can see here at the bottom, how many times you surf a day, and they have different rewards for surfing amount of times throughout the day. You can get certain bonuses that you can receive to get more credit, more traffic that you can drive to your affiliate business. And this is one incredible way that I use to drive traffic, because especially when you don't have much money to pay for paid advertisement, this could be very, very helpful for you. That's very cost efficient. Now of course they have upgrades that you can use to get more credits. Okay, I'm gonna just show you a little bit what I mean by here. Now this is the advertiser area, and I'm gonna show you where you can get your site. So when you get these credits, you get to receive them, and you can see that I got once they load up, these are my sites right here. These are my websites, and this is the amount of credits that I got that I got left over. And these are my sites that I'm promoting, and you can see that I'm getting good traffic. I'm getting 11 views here, 30 views here, 40, and you just assign you assign a certain amount of how much you want to drive traffic to your affiliate offer. They also have banner ads. You got banner ads that you can also, and this is a good way too, because it's banner ads that shows all over the site. And like I said before, if you want to get free traffic, you can use these banner ads to promote your affiliate offer. Okay, and once you upgrade, you get to fill out many more. And I believe just by being a free member, I think you could just only fill up to 5. But when you get to be an upgraded member, you get more. You get 10, and I'm at a gold member right now, so I get about 100. I could list about 100 banner ads, and they also have square banner ads too, to drive traffic. So all of these different things that they have can help you to drive traffic to your affiliate offer. They also have this thing called mini branders too. I haven't done that yet, but you could, that's something that you could promote yourself. I believe you get to put your own picture on your advertising. That is one incredible way as well. So here they have the promotion. So they got the promotional tools you can use. This could help you to promote your affiliate link for 𝗖cie für𝘁. And this is your affiliate link. They usually be at the top. They also have some emails that you can send out, that you can blast out on your behalf. You can share this on Facebook. This is where they have, these are the different splash pages that they have. Or what you could do is you can take this one page, you can take this one link that can promote all these. I think this is like 16 different splash pages. And you can use splash pages on different other traffic exchanges to promote on. And these are your banner ads. You can use these for banner ads, and you can promote these on other traffic exchanges as well. So this is one incredible way to Now there's many more traffic exchanges, but you know, Hungry for Hits, the way everything is set up, I love the way you know, the way they got this system to promote my affiliate offers, and it helps me a lot. I have seen some results using Hungry for Hits. So if you want to start for free with Hungry for Hits, the link in the description will be below. You can also check out my other traffic sources that I have in my affiliate network, the way I promote my affiliate offers. You can check those out in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more upcoming tips and tricks and advantages of strategies that I use for my daily marketing routine. You can also reach me on Facebook, and I'll be gladly to answer any type of questions that you guys may have on your behalf on your affiliate marketing journey. All right, so that's all I have for you today, guys. Excuse me. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.